Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. So we are working on the book Math Grade 8 Maths Makes Sense. Here is the book. You can see the book that is Pearson Math Makes Sense Grade 8. So we are working on chapter 4, that is measuring prisms and cylinders. So we're going to cover 4.6, 4.7 and 4.8 today. They are volume of a right triangular prism, surface area of a right cylinder, and volume of a right cylinder. So let's just start with 4.6. Okay, 4.6 it is. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is volume of a right triangular prism. Okay, so here is the formula. The volume of the prism is V equals the base area times length. Got it? A times L. A is the area of the base and L is the length of the prism. Just look at the example. Find the volume of the prism. We have done right triangular. We have already done with right triangular prism. We have done with volume of right triangular prism in the last session. Rectangular prism it is. Okay, hold on. Let me just confirm. Yes, volume of a right rectangular it was. So today we're going to do volume of a right triangular prism. Okay, so the volume of the right triangular prism is V equals A time L. A is the area of the base and L is the length. Let's just look at the example. You are given a right triangular prism. So find the volume of the prism. The area of the rectangular triangular prism is 12 centimeter square. You are given the area of the base. Got it? So you have to do 12 times 9. 12 times 9 is 108 and 108 is the volume of the right triangular prism. Got it? Okay, the next one is, here is the diagram of Rene's new house. What is the volume of the attic? You have to calculate the volume. So you are given this is the triangle. The height of the triangle is 8. 8. This is 10. Base is 10, sorry. Base is 8. Height you are given is 3. So you have to calculate the area. It would be, first you have to calculate the area of triangle. It would be half times b times h, that is half 1 by 2 times 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Got it? 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12, so it would be 12 times 10. So the area of the attic is 12 meter cube. Area attic is just this one, the upper portion it is. Got it? Okay, let's just start with question number 3. Each triangular prism is divided into two congruent triangular prisms along diagonal shown. The volume of each triangular prism is given. Find the volume of each rectangular prism is given. Find the volume of each triangular prism, because the triangular prism is divided into two triangular prisms. Got it? So you have to divide the volume by 2, right? 450 divided by 2 is, for question number 3a, you have to divide the volume of rectangular prism by 2 to get the volume of two triangular prisms. It would be V equals 450 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the rectangular prism. So we have to calculate the volume of triangular prism. So because the you divided two rectangular prisms into triangular prisms, so you have to divide it by the 2. It would be 450 divided by 2, and that is the volume of triangular prism. Got it? It would be 450 over 2 is 225 centimeter cube. So the volume of the triangular prism is 225. Got it? Okay, the next one is, you have to do the same for B part. Just divide 624 by 2. Got it? Okay, let's just see question number 4a. The base and the length of each triangular prism is given. You just have to calculate the volume. When you have to calculate the volume, you have to do V equals A times L. Got it? Area you are given is 9.2, and L you are given is 2.3. 2.3 it is for question number 4a. The volume is A times H. A is the area of base, A times L it is actually. V equals A times L. A is the area of base and you have L. So the area of base is 9.2 times 2.3. 9.2, that is the area, and 2.3 is the length. So let's just multiply 9.2 times 2.3, that is 21.16. So the correct option is 21.16. Got it? You have to do the same thing with part B, and I think C and D also. C also. Got it? Okay, find the volume of each triangular prism. Okay, you are given the triangular prism. You have to calculate the, now you are not given with the area. You have to calculate the area of the triangle by yourself. That would be area of the triangle is half times base times height. Got it? Let's just do question number 5a. Okay, the base of the triangle 13 and the height is 7. So it is, the area of the triangle is half times b times h. So it would be, b is 13 and height is 7. So 13 times 7 is, hold on, 13 times 7, 13 times 7 is 91, and 91 divided by 2 is 45.5. Okay, the height you are given is, the length is 21. So you have to do volume equals A times L, that is 45.5 times 21, I think. Yes, 21. So let's just multiply. It is 45.5 times 21. So the correct option is 955.5. If you are not given with the area of the base, you can calculate the area of the base, that is the triangle. Just calculate the area of the triangle, it would be area equals half times base times h. So it is 45.5, right? Okay, you can do the rest of the questions BC by yourself. Okay, question number 6. What is the volume of the prism? Okay, question number 6A. Okay, the base is 15.5 and height is 4.4. Okay, you have to calculate the area of triangle, the triangle first. That would be half times base times height. Base is 15.5 and height is 4.4. Okay, so it would be 15.5 times 4.4, 68.2, and divided by 4 is divided by 2 is 34.1. And you have to calculate the volume, so you have to multiply it by the length, that would be 15.6. So it is 34.1 times 15.6, that would be 531.96 centimeter cube. Got it? Okay, let's just look at the next question. What is the volume of the glass in the glass prism? You have to calculate the volume. So 2 times 2 is 4, that would be 18. The question number 7 is 18 centimeter cube. Got it? Okay, question number 88 is the volume of, okay, you have so many questions. Okay, let me skip 8, 9. Okay, question number 10 it is. Okay, Chiku has a wedge of cheddar cheese. He plans to serve the cheese as an appetizer before dinner. What is the volume of the cheese does Chiku have? Suppose each person eats 20 centimeter cube of cheese. How many people will the cheese serve? Okay, let's just see. You have to calculate the area. Got it? So the height is 4 and the base is 5. 5 times 4 is 20 and 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, question number 10. Have to calculate area, that would be half times base times height. It is half times 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then volume is 10 times 120. Sorry, 10 times 12. That would be 120 centimeter cube. Okay, the B part is if each person can eat 20 centimeter cube cheese. So 20 centimeter, 120 divided by 20 is 6. That means 6 people can eat the cheese, the piece of the cheese. Got it? Okay. Okay, for question number Okay, let's just see question number 13. Predict which prism has greater volume. You are given two of the prisms. So which of them have the greater volume? Okay, let's see. This is A. Okay, let's just calculate the area of 13A. Got it? Sorry, volume. Then we'll see which one has the greater volume. Question number 13A. Base is 5 and height is 8. 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Okay, then volume equals A times L, that is 20 times. L is 9. That would be 180 centimeter cube. Got it? Same way, I'm going to calculate the area of the B. Okay, it is 6 times 6 over 2. The area of the base is 6 times 6, 36 over 2. That would be 18. Then volume equals A times L, that would be 18 times L is 7. 18 times 7 is 7 times 8 is 56, 126 centimeter cube. So now we have the volumes of the two shapes. But the question is, let me read the question. A is predict which triangular prism has the greater volume. So the one with has the greater, that means A has the greater volume. Got it? Because we calculated the volume of both the shapes. So you can see A has the greater volume, that is 180. B has the volume 126. Okay. Find the volume of each prism was your prediction. Okay, we did. How would you change one dimension of prism B so that two prisms have the same volume? Okay. One dimension of prism B. Here you have 180 and here you have 7. You must, if we have two, if they have the same volumes, this is 180, this won't be 180 if you can replace this 7 by 10, because 18 times 7 is 180. Got it? So you can change the dimension of prism B to 10 so that they can have the same volume. Got it? Okay, just look at question number 16. A chocolate company produces different sizes of chocolate bars that are packaged in equilateral triangular prism. Here is the 100-gram chocolate bar. Calculate the surface area and volume of the box. The company produces a 400-gram chocolate bar. It has the same shape as the 100-gram bar. What is the possible dimensions of the 400-gram bar? Okay, first we have to calculate the area of this one, surface area of the shape, and volume also. Let's just calculate the volume. Base is 3.5 and height is 3.1. 3.5 times 3.1. Okay, so it is 3.5 times 3.1, 10.85, and 10.85 divided by 2, that would be 5.4. So volume is 5.4 times the length. The length is 21. 21 times 5.4. That would be 113.4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. Got it? I'm going to start the next one, that is surface area of a right cylinder. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Find the surface area of the cylinder. How do we calculate the surface area of the cylinder? So just look at the net of the cylinder. You have two of the circular faces and a rectangular face. Got it? So the surface area would be 2 times the area of one circle and plus the area of rectangle, because you have two circular faces and one rectangular face. So let's just calculate the area of the circles. That would be a times pi r square. So it would be 201.06. Then the area of the rectangular face we calculate by circumference type height. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and height is 11. So just calculate 2 pi r, that times h, that would be 552.92. So the surface area, you have to add up all the areas, that would be 955.04. Got it? So whenever you're working on the cylinder, you have two faces, that are circular faces, and the third one is the rectangle. You can calculate the area of both the circular faces, then the area of the rectangle would be the circumference of the circle times height. And at the end, you have to add up all the areas. The area of the both circular faces, they are same, and then the area of the rectangular face. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, let's just start with question number 4. Find the area of each net. So let's start with question number 4. You have two circular faces and a rectangular face, and they have the radius 4, I think. Let me just confirm. Okay, diameter 4. You can see their diameter is 4, so the radius is 2. Diameter is 4 centimeter. Radius equals diameter divided by 2, so it would be 4 over 2 equals 2. Let's just calculate the area of circular faces. Pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and 2 square. That would be 12 times something. Let me just calculate. 4 times 3.14. That would be 12.56. That is the area of one circular face. You can multiply it by the 2 for the both circular faces. Now you have to calculate the area of the rectangular face. That would be circumference times height. Circumference is 2 pi r times h. So 2 times 3.14 times r is 2, and height of the rectangular face is 5. Just multiply, it would be 2 times 3.14 times 2 times 5. It is 62.8. So when you have to calculate the final area of cylinder, you have to add area of two circular faces. That would be 2 times 12.56, because 12.56 is area of one face, and then 62.8, that is the area of triangular. So just add 2 times 12.56, that is 25.12. So 25.12 plus 62.8, it would be 87.92. So the correct option is 87 point. The area of the cylinder is 87.92. Got it? Okay, question number 5. Describe the cylinder that each net in question number 4 form. Okay, let's just look at the question number 6b. I'm going to do question number 6b. Okay, you are given the diameter. The diameter is 10. Got it? You can calculate the radius. Radius equals diameter divided by 2. That means it is 5. First, you have to calculate the area of circular face. That is by r square. So it would be 3.14 times 5 square. 5 square is 25. So 25 times 3.14 is 78.5. Then you have to calculate the area of rectangular face. That would be 2c times circumference times height. Circumference is 2 pi r times h. So it would be 2 times 3.14 times r is 5 times height of the cylinder is 3. So just multiply. Got it? Multiply all the values. 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 3. That would be 94.2. That is the area of the rectangular face. So the area of cylinder is area of two circular faces, 2 times 78.5 plus 94.2. 2 times 78.5, that is 157 plus 94.2. So it is 157 plus 94.2. That would be 251.2. Got it? So the area of the cylinder is 251.2. Okay, let's just look at question number 9. A cylindrical tank has diameter 3.8 meter and the length 12.7 meter. What is the surface area of the tank? Okay, the diameter is 3.8. First, we have to calculate the radius. Okay, diameter 3.8 and length 12.7. Question number 9 it is. Okay, then radius equals d over 2, 1.9 it is. So first you have to calculate the area of the cylindrical circular faces, that is pi r square. 3.14 times 1.9 square. That is 11.34. Okay, then the area of rectangular face is c times h, and c equals 2 pi r times h. So it would be 2 times 3.14 times r is 12.7 times h is 12.7. R is 1.9, not 12.7. So it would be 2 times 3.14 times 1.9 times 12.7. That is 151.53. So the correct option is 151.53. Got it? Oh, that is just the area of rectangular face. So the area of cylinder is 2 times 11.34 and plus 151.53. So it would be 2 times 11.34, 22.68, and 22.68 plus 151.53 is 174.21. So the correct option is 174.21. Got it? Okay. Question number 15. A candy company can sell fruit gums in rectangular boxes in cylindrical tubes. Each box is 8 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Each cylinder has radius 3 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. The company wants the packaging that uses less material. Which packing should the company choose? The cylindrical tubes or the cylindrical or the rectangular boxes? Okay, just calculate the area of the rectangular box. The area of the rectangular box would be 8 times 3 times 7 it is. Let me just calculate. I'm using 8 times 3 times 7. The area of the rectangular box it is. Got it? That would be 202. Got it? And then the area of cylindrical shape is area of rectangular box is area of rectangular box is 202. You can use the formula, the one we did in the last session. Got it? A equals 2 times length time weight plus 2 times width time height plus 2 times length time height. Okay, now let me just calculate the area of triangular prism. I'm using just calculator. area of cylinder it is. Radius is 3 and height is 6. That would be 188.5. The area of the cylinder is 188.5. So you can see the area of this, the area of the cylinder is less than the area of the triangular box. Also, when you calculate their volumes, then the volume of the cylinder is less than the volume of the rectangular box. Got it? That means they, the company have to use the cylindrical tubes. Got it? Okay. Just look at the question number 17. Benny places a glass cylinder open at one end over a rose cutting in his garden. The cylinder has diameter 9 and height 20. To make sure animals cannot knock the cylinder over, Benny covers the bottom 5 centimeter of the cylinder with soil. What is the surface area of the cylinder exposed to the sun? Okay, so he covers 5 centimeter with soil. The height is 20. Earlier it is 20. So 5 centimeter is covered. That means now the height is 15. Got it? So 9 centimeter diameter is 9 and height is 15. Question number 17 it is. Diameter is 9, height is 15 now because 5 centimeter is covered with the soil. So it would be radius equals 9 over 2, 4.5. So area equals pi r square. That would be 3.14 times 4.5 square. Let me just do calculations. That is 63.5. Now the area of the rectangular face is 2 pi r times h. 2 times 3.14 times r is 4.5 times 15. So it is 2 times 3.14 times 4.5 times 15. That is 423.9. Now the area of cylinder is, that is exposed to sun, is 2 times 63.5 times 423.9. That is 432.9 and plus 63.5. 2 times 3.14 times 4.5 times 15. 423.9 and 423.9 plus 63.5, it is 488. You don't have to multiply it by the 2 because you have to calculate the area of the cylinder that is exposed to sun. Area, because you have the base and the 5 centimeter is covered in this with the soil. Got it? So you don't have to multiply the circular face by 2. Area of cylinder that is exposed to sun. So you have to do, that would be 488. Just add up 63.5 and 423.9. So it is 487.488 it is. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So okay, so we are working on chapter 4, that is measuring prisms and cylinders, and the lessons we have covered today are volume of a right triangular prism and surface area of a right cylinder. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.